Hey, what's up? It's Jason Young, LBN, onlinefitness.com, MINDTAMERonline.com. Welcome. I'm back in the kitchen. Got another healthy meal for you today. Today we're making a Paleo Banana Bread. It's going to be yummy. So this is coming from the top 100 fast paleo recipes. So check it out. But the ingredients you are going to need are you're going to need 3 bananas, 3 eggs, chopped walnuts, so just as many as you want, raisins, so we're going to do half a cup of raisins. You'll need 160 grams of almond butter, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon cinnamon, 1 tablespoon baking powder, and you'll need coconut oil, 1 tablespoon. We'll get this going. So first thing is just to mash up the bananas. So I'll mash those up and then show you the next step. Alright, so the first thing we're doing is we're going to grease up our baking thingamajiggy with coconut oil. So I'm melting it right now. You can use a spray as well if you like. Okay, so in a bowl, smash up your bananas. Smash them up real good. So, also I'll leave a link down to the 30-day paleo challenge. So it's a free download. Download it. If you're new to paleo, give it a try. You will be amazed at what comes from it. So better health, fat loss, looking better naked, all that good stuff. So, alright, these look mashed. So, I'll get to the next step. You're just going to add all the other ingredients in here. Once that's done, I will get to the next one. And just a little side note, it's 1 teaspoon, not 1 tablespoon of the baking powder, cinnamon, and vanilla extract. Okay, you need 5 tablespoons of the almond butter, and I'll get that in, and that should be everything. Well, the raisins and the walnuts I'll add last. Okay, so once everything's in there, just mix everything up all together, and then we'll transfer it over into the Pyrex sheet over there. Alright, so we got it all in the Pyrex sheet. We're going to put it in the oven at 320, so make sure that you preheated your oven. Put it in there, 35 minutes, and we'll see how it turns out. Alright, so it's been cooking 35 minutes, and the smell coming from this is simply awesome. Look at that. Alright, so we're going to let this cool, and then we're going to give it a taste test. Alright, so it is taste test time for the Paleo Banana Bread. So, I'm going to give it a final taste test. See how it turns out.
Welcome to Eden's Resort.
Good, Lucy? No, you don't get any.
I know why you are all here. You are here to seek the answer to the
That's good.
asked question by all.
It's very banana-y, which is why it's called banana bread, Lucy.
How? I have
Very good.
a personalized
Walnuts add a
design to challenge you all.
perfect crispiness or crunchiness. So excellent, excellent, excellent. Give it a try. Let me know how you like the recipe. So remember, this is from the Fast Paleo 100 top 100 recipes. So get it, do it, give it a try. So you can also download the Paleo Challenge. There's a link down below. so it's free to do. But otherwise, let me know how you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe. Got a lot more fitness and nutrition and mindset videos coming up for you. But otherwise, until next time, Jason Yun from the kitchen. Stay strong, stay positive, be the improvement warrior. Yeah, yummy, yummy, yummy. Maybe I'll give you a little piece of see.
Now, remove your mask.
There you go.